Hello everyone, this is your first assignment class. In this assignment, we are going to draw this sketch. But always remember that before starting to sketch, we need to set the limits. Type limits command and press enter. Specify lower left corner, give 0, 0 and press enter. Now specify upper right corner. Always remember that upper right corner point should be anything greater than the sketch coordinate. The maximum point for this sketch is 20, so give upper right corner greater than 20. Give 50, 50 and press enter. Now type Z for zoom, press enter. Type A for zoom fit all, press enter. So the limit have been set. Now zoom the sketch a little bit. We will draw this sketch with absolute coordinate system. So let's get started. Type L for line command. Press enter. Specify the points from where you want to draw the line. We want to draw from the origin. So type 0, 0, press enter. Now you can see that line is drawn from the origin, that is 0, 0 position. Now we want to draw a 5 mm line in y direction. The coordinate of this line is 0, 5. This line is drawn in y axis, that's why the x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 5 mm. So type 0, 5 and press enter. Now we will draw a line of 5 mm in x direction. So x coordinate will be 5 mm and y coordinate will remain the same. Type 5, 5 and press enter. Now draw this line of 5 mm length in y direction. X coordinate will remain same, that is 5 mm. The y coordinate will be 5 and plus 5, that is 10 mm. Type 5, 10 and press enter. Now draw this line, y coordinate will remain same and x coordinate will be 5 plus 5, that is 10. Type 10, 10 and press enter. Next point will be 10, 15, 15, 15, 15, 20, 20, 20. The coordinate of this point will be 20, 0. This point lies on x-axis, that's why y coordinate will be 0. Length of this line is 20 mm, so x coordinate will be 20. Type 20, 0 and press enter. Type 0, 0, press enter to close the sketch. Press escape key to exit from line command. So this was the absolute coordinate system method. In this system, we draw the sketch by giving coordinate according to their dimensions. Now we will draw this sketch by another method. For that, go to customization and make sure dynamic input is active. So this is the dynamic input. Right now it is off. Make sure it is on. What dynamic input does is that you don't have to type command in command bar. Type limits. Now you can see that we can type a command anywhere we want. Press enter. Give lower left corner 0, 0. Press enter. Give upper right corner 50, 50. Type Z for zoom. Enter. Type A for all and enter. So the limits are set. Pen the sketch. Select line. Now you can see this input box. It will only appear when dynamic input is active and on. Select first point. Make ortho on from here or from shortcut key F8. Give 20 mm length and press enter. Make ortho off. Now draw this inclined line at 45 degree, that is 180 minus 135. First type length of 20 mm. Now press shift plus smaller than key to give angle. Type 45 degree and press enter. Now close the sketch. Press escape. So this is our final sketch. Now we will draw this sketch. Make sure dynamic input is on. Select line. Select first point. Now draw this line at 45 degree angle from here. First type 20 mm length. We can also give angle by pressing tab key from keyboard. Press tab key. Now give the 45 degree angle and press enter. Make ortho on. Give 20 mm length and press enter. Make ortho off and close the sketch. So this is the final sketch. I hope that you have understood everything. If you have any doubt, then WhatsApp to our instructor and we will make sure that your doubts will be cleared very soon. So see you in the next assignment class.